Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making shrimp scampi. You will need 1 pound of shrimp, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 shallot, 1/2 cup of white wine, the juice of 1 lemon, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and fresh parsley to garnish. In a frying pan, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Using medium-high heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now add your shrimp. Season with the salt and pepper and cook for 2 minutes. Now remove them from the frying pan and set them aside. Add the remaining olive oil to your pan and saute your shallots and garlic for 1 minute. Add the white wine and lemon juice, then bring to a light simmer. Now add the red pepper flakes and butter and mix well. Return the shrimp to the pan and coat with the sauce, then simmer for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, turn off your heat and now it is ready to serve. If you're looking for restaurant quality shrimp scampi, then you must give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.